Hi guys, we're going to take a look at this question where we have to consider this circuit diagram. All right. And they tell us that the switch S is open, and we can also clearly see that on the diagram. They want us to write down the following. They want us to write the voltmeter of V1 and the ammeter, or the reading on the voltmeter and the reading on the ammeter. Okay, so the reading on the voltmeter will be 24 volts, right? As you can see there, that's the reading on the voltmeter. And on the ammeter, that will be 0 amps. Okay. Why? Switch is open. No current is flowing through. Now the switch is closed. Calculate the equivalent resistance of the circuit. Okay. So here we have a series circuit and a parallel circuit in one. Right. So let's start with our parallel circuit. Remember, we have two methods. I'll show both again. So 1 over Rp equals to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 because there's only two resistors. So both resistors are 8 ohms. So 1 over 8 plus 1 over 8. And you calculate that to be 4 ohms, right? So that's your resistance. This is your resistance in parallel. But remember, they want of the circuit. So you take, resistance total will be your resistors parallel plus your resistors in the series. We've just calculated parallel, which is 4 ohms, and we have the series, which is 8 ohms. So 4 plus 8 is 12 ohms. So that will be the resistance of the circuit. Okay. If you don't like to do parallel like this, I'll show you another way on the opposite side. You can just say that R parallel is the product. So you can say R1 times R1, so R2 over, or R1 plus R2. So the product over the sum, and that should also give you 4 ohms. Okay. 11.1.3, calculate the reading on voltmeter 2. The voltmeter 2 is here, right here. Okay. So let's see. We can use this formula, I would say. So if you look at 11.1.3, we have V equals to IR, right? We have our voltmeter from V1, which is 24 volts. We don't have our current right now. It's not given, so it's I. We know our resistance is 12 because we've just calculated that right there. So we do our math equation and we get I to be 2 amps. Okay, so now we do the same calculation again, or the same method, formula, and we jot in 2 and we jot in the resistance of this particular reading of the voltmeter, and that is 8 ohms, and we get 2 times 8, which is 16 volts. So the reading on voltmeter 2 will be 16 ohms. Okay, last one. How do the readings on ammeter 2 and 3 compare with each other? Ammeter 2 and 3, they are equal to each other. All right, guys. That is it. See ya.